Hey y'all, I did a little shopping and I got a few new toys to play with in the garden. So let's go see what's in this box and that box. But first, let's have a quick chat about a little garden update. I took in maybe 5 or 6 giant swallowtail eggs this morning, and I found several clusters of zebra longwing eggs, and I released 11 zebra longwing butterflies this morning. It was fabulous, and I love that. I just want to share that with you. Now let's go see what I bought. First, this is the raised planter bed that I told you I bought a long time ago. No, this is not what was in that big box. That's still to come. But I just wanted to show it to you real quick. It's still empty, but we are planning on growing vegetables in it. I still have to fill it up. We have all kinds of cool things to fill it up with. Look who's right here. Beautiful Gulf fritillary butterfly. On my porterweed that I love. There's a Horace's dusky wing too. How cute. I'm glad they decided to come along right here while we're filming. So even though the raised bed is not set up yet or ready to plant food in, I do have my first food growing, and I've already eaten some of it. And it's pretty amazing, and you guys should get some too. Let me show you what it is. This is longevity spinach, and I learned about it on a recent Florida Native Plant Society get-together we have for our local Heartland chapter. And you can literally pick these leaves and eat it. It is so good. It has the best flavor, and I love it. So whenever I'm having a salad, I just come out, and it's not like I would make my whole salad out of this, but I guess you could. But I just pull a few leaves off, go and rinse them off, and there we go. Now I ordered this as small plants and they came fabulously. So I'll link below in the description where I got them and the link. So if you want to try some, you can. It does very well in our Florida hot weather. And it's called longevity spinach for a reason, because it's supposed to help you live a good long life. So there you go. Isn't that fabulous? That's the plant. Remember when I was trimming through the split leaves, clearing the walkway, and I said I needed a longer pair of my Felco pruners? I wonder if they make any. Well, they did, but they were $54.99. But in that same search, these guys came up for $29.99. So I thought, well, I'll try them. And they're fabulous. I love them. I saved the packaging so I could show you. This is the brand, and it's a bypass pruner, stays sharp longer, rust and corrosion resistant. Hopefully all that's true. I can't say for sure, but it also has a lifetime warranty, and it's best for branches and stems. So yay. I'll link this below in my Amazon links along with the other things that you're going to see, and that raised bed I got on Amazon. I'll put that below also. Okay, are you ready to find out what's in the big box? It's not time yet. I've got 2 other things to show you. Remember when we did my garden tour last video, and I showed you this that I still haven't topped off with soil, and you can still see the plastic, but this is a Bacopa moneri. And I said, I've got some more hanging baskets. Yep, they're in a box. Let's go see them. They're a little bit smaller than this one, but I think they're deeper. So let's go see. Let's go check them out. I haven't opened them yet. These are also from Amazon, and here is the brand. I got these a while ago. I can't remember if I got a pack of 2 or 4. Oh. It looks like 4. So I think they are deeper. Let's see, how hard is it going to be? Of course, they're all stuck together, but they definitely look deeper, which is wonderful because then I can like put the bag underneath. So they're hooked together with one of these tie things. So let me get my scissors and cut them apart. It is definitely deeper, which I love. So that is going to be perfect for those 2 other plants. And I have 4 of them now. So I can put other things in hanging baskets as well. I just like the natural look of it. It's not a plastic hanging pot. And I've got tons of shepherd's hooks. So we'll be planting that at some point. Here are my 2 plants that are going to be going in there. These are host plants for the white peacock. And of course, while I was searching for the Felco pruners, other things came up as well. There's a brand, I think it's Vivo Pro. You'll see in a minute. I got them a long time ago. They're little clippers, but they're small and they've got a very pointed end. And I just love them. But the thing I didn't love about them is they didn't stay sharp forever or for long. But they're also really inexpensive. And I do have a little sharpener tool that I can use to sharpen them. But what I love about them is because they're not that expensive, if I leave them laying around out in the garden, it's like I don't really get too heartbroken, but it's nice just having them all over the place. So if you need to like trim something or deadhead something, there might be a pair laying nearby. So I found a 6-pack of these, and y'all, it wasn't expensive at all. It was, it'll be in the links below. I want to say it was between $15 and $20 for 6 of them. So they are very sharp though. I have gotten my fingers with these before. They are very sharp, but they do a great job for deadheading, or like when I'm in the lepidarium and I need to trim off just a few little dead leaves. It's really easy to get in and at what you're going after. Here they are, Vivo Sun Precise Hand Pruner. And mine were orange, but I think these ones, I don't know, are they orange? Yeah, I think they are orange. So I'll open them up and pull one out. But if you've been watching my videos for a while or my channel, you've probably seen these. I think it's kind of funny that they're individually wrapped and they have resealable pouches. Like, I don't think I'm going to keep this to store them in. But let me get one out. There, these little guys. And they come with a safety cap on the end, and they also have a locking feature. Okay, I got the little cap off. So this just slides and locks. Locked, unlocked. Let's go deadhead a few things and I'll show you what I mean about how dexterous they are. Especially like on the Mexican sunflowers, when I'm going in after some of the leaves. You want something small. You want something small so you can get in there, like this leaf right here. See how you just whoop, and I just let everything fall. But it makes it easy to get in and get the ones you want and not the ones that you don't want. And you can freshen up a plant pretty quick by getting those old dead leaves off. See how easy it is to just get in there and get them. Oh, surely there's a deadhead. Oh, here's one. Oh, and then you can use it on your salvias. Oh, look, here's some more. See how quick it is? Oh, this is good timing. Here's one of my newer upcoming Mexican sunflowers, Tithonia rotundifolia. And when these are coming up, I like to cut them down because that will cause that to split out and they'll be fuller and bushier. instead of just tall with this one flower on the top. Look, there's a monarch on my pink pentas. That's an old monarch. He's been around hanging out with me the last few days, but his little wings are pretty faded. But he's beautiful and he's doing well. Okay, you ready to see what's in the box? It's really not all that super exciting. It's one of those things that you don't know you need, but Amazon knows you need it, you know, that pops up and you're like, oh, I could use that. It's one of those things. Dun da da! It's a shovel. It's a narrow-ended shovel. And it's got this funky cool handle. So what I liked about this is the small size of the shovel, because you know how crowded my garden is, and it's hard to go with my big shovel and dig space for a new plant when there's a bunch of other plants around. So that's the main thing that it caught my eye. It's by Roam Wild and it's called the Multi-Digger. Why is it called that? I don't know. Oh, I can become a part of their community though. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, talk about fancy packaging. It says, thank you for choosing Roam Wild. Our aim is very simple. That is to make products that work better. If you have any suggestions, concerns, or ideas, we are all ears. I think I should give them the suggestion to send me PR. Okay, so there's nothing on here that tells me why this is fabulous. I guess I had to figure it out for myself. I mean, why this handle? Although, let me tell you, it's like a cushy grip. I like that. And the way it's angled, like angled forward, seems like it would make it like easier on your wrists and hands in digging. Let's open up the bottom. Okay, I looked it up and it is the Roam Wild Multi-Digger Garden Spade. And it says it's reinforced fiberglass, lightweight, I can say that, arrowhead digging shovel. That's the title of it. And look, it's got this fancy cutting groove. And the handle has unique dual light air soft grip technology. So there we go. Let's see what it does in the dirt. So what I'm thinking is that if I ever found another Florida native wildflower that I needed to add to my garden, and I had a tiny space where I was going to place it, this shovel's nice and narrow, and it digs a deep hole where I could get in and get my hole without disturbing everyone else around it. And I think, I don't have a plant to plant, y'all, so I'm just gonna put this back, but I think that's gonna serve its purpose well. So I think it's gonna be fabulous. Oh, it's got soft grips here too. It is really lightweight. I can twirl it like a baton. Who ever knew you were going to see a gardener that can baton twirl a shovel? That's it right there. All right, so there you go. There you have it. I hope that you enjoyed playing in my garden with my new toys. Wasn't that fabulous? All of them will be linked below. And oh, the most glorious thing, do y'all see it? There's two monarchs attached to each other. Oh, let's go. They just landed on a tree. You know what that means? I might finally be getting some eggs in my garden. Yes, please. Okay, but what I was actually coming to show you is my swamp milkweed. Look how gorgeous. And it smells really good too. And there's a giant milkweed bug on it. Isn't he pretty? Here's my little old guy again. He'll just go and like rest on the leaf. You can tell he's retired. He's not on patrol warding off all the other butterflies like the younger males are. He likes to be leisurely. Okay, well, y'all have been doing great with tapping the like button, but we need a little more practice because my last video currently has like 650 some odd views and only 71 like taps. So we need to do some practice. So give it a tap right now, a little thumbs up. Just tap it, give it a like. And I had 75 comments, y'all. That was fabulous. And I chatted with all of you. So say hi to me in the comments. Somebody even just said hi. And that was fabulous. Just say hi. And if you want to hang out with me even more, join the Milkweed Crew. I just uploaded my lepidarium tour. It's so cute, all the little babies in there. And I have a new setup with the lepidarium. So if you want to see that, you got to be a member. And I'm starting to unlock my season 1 videos. This morning, one day, I unlocked my very first YouTube video, and it's in the members only section. So all right, and thank you, members. Thank you for using my Amazon links if you choose to do so. Thank you for watching my videos. Y'all are the best. Y'all are fabulous. I love sharing butterfly gardening with all of you. I love hearing about the successes that you're seeing in your garden. So chat with me, and I'll see you in the next one.